Sensational, have a seat because we need to talk. Like, this is definitely a look but do not touch unit. Girl, what are we doing, Sensational? You need to go back to the drawing board because, girl, this hair quality has got to go. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. When I grow like only grow, and time pass, and thoughts of perfect. They will rise on the line, boundaries, down to close. When I grow like only grow, and time pass. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new unit. This one is from the Sensational Vice collection. This one is the Vice Unit 5, and I'm wearing it in the color Chunky Highlight 30. So let's just pop it into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked, and it does have this singular 5-inch HD lace parting. Let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. So I do feel like the hairline on this one is very nice, you guys. This unit is also heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. So if you did want to go in and add heat, you definitely can do that. I think one of the things I did like about this unit is the fact that it did come pretty flat at the top. I didn't go in with my wax stick or brush like I normally have to do with curly units. I honestly just kind of finger combed it. It sat pretty on my head, honestly, right out of the box. As far as the top is concerned, I'm not really getting any humpage. So the cap size on this unit, I'm actually surprised. It's coming off small, medium, and big head friendly in my opinion. I actually did have to go in and adjust the adjustable straps almost pretty much all the way, and my head is on the smaller size. So I feel like if you do have a larger size head, you should be pretty good with getting away with this one. Now the texture on this unit is honey. Honey. The texture on this unit is absolutely awful in my opinion. I don't know if it's just this color. I don't know if I got a bad batch or something, but honey, this texture is trash. I don't think I've ever had a unit that is a dried out silky texture, if that makes any sense. Like, honey, this hair is not doing it for me. And to be honest, so as you guys know, I do like to use my pure silicone spray. So I did go in with my Simply Styling pure silicone spray, and I feel like this salvaged this hair so much. After I spritz this on the hair is feeling much softer. It actually kind of feels really nice, but I can still feel the dried out silky fibers, if that makes any sense. I feel like that was kind of the only way I was able to salvage this unit, because the way that I was feeling, I honestly didn't even want to pop this bad boy on my head. So the density on this unit is pretty full. As you can see, I do have all the hair to the front. It looks like it's about 150% density, so they definitely did not skimp on the density on this one. But what I do really like is the fact that it's kind of big, but it feels super lightweight on my head. The length on this one, you guys, is pretty long. I'm 5'3" for reference, and this one comes pretty much to my belly button. And as you can see, this Chunky Highlight 30 color I feel like is honestly beautiful. It's like effortless. I feel like it's very realistic. I kind of like that it's like scattered throughout. I feel like they honestly did a wonderful job with the coloring of this unit. So I just want to pop into the cons and the pros of this unit, honey, because the cons are just overdoing it for me. So number one, this unit is a tangler and it's definitely a shedder. So if you're not a fan of that, I definitely would stray far away from this one. I know that this is a synthetic curly unit, so of course tangling and shedding is to be expected, but I just feel like the amount that I was getting instantaneously, immediately after taking it out of the box, no, like that is just honestly unacceptable to me, especially for the price that they're charging for units like this, honey. The hair quality has got to go. I can only imagine how it'd feel wearing this outside, out and about. Another thing is, honey, it is summertime. This unit is hot. It is long. It's like I can feel it in the nape of my neck. This is definitely going to be one that has you sweating. And even though it is lightweight on my head, honey, definitely keep in mind this is going to have you sweating. So I don't know how you feel about wearing something like this to the beach or something, but you better be wearing it in an air-conditioned place, because if not, you will be sorry. It may not sound like there's that many cons with it, but I feel like those three things right there is a make or break, honey. And it's breaking for me, if we're being honest. This is definitely going to be a look but don't touch unit. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I'm not going to leave it on a negative note. Let's just pop right into the positives about it. Let's just talk about the pros. I do like the fact that you do get this 5-inch HD lace parting space. I feel like that's nice. The fact that it was pre-plucked, I feel like is very nice. The hairline is looking nice. I think the baby hairs were a little bit long, but I do like the fact that they're kind of thinned out for you, so I didn't have to go and hide a bunch of them in the hairline. So that was pretty nice. I mean, I like the wave pattern and how it looks. It looks very pretty. Like, this is when I feel like I would see somebody wearing and be like, I need to get that, until I like hear a review like this and I'm like, girl, no. This is a look but don't touch unit, honey. So I feel like as a whole, if this price point dropped, then perhaps I would pick it up again. But for the price point, honey, y'all need to go back to the drawing board. I would not pick this unit up again, you guys. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys if you were considering picking a unit up like this. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.